Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. This matters because a reset erases user files. First, copy documents and photos to an external drive and confirm they open. Next, record activation keys and Wi-Fi credentials, these speed recovery. Once done, plug the laptop into power and prefer Ethernet for speed and reliability. Now open Settings, type Reset, and select the Reset option so you can choose Full System Wipe or Keep Files. This choice determines how deep the restoration will be. You now choose how to reinstall Windows. This is critical because it affects drivers and updates. Select Remove Everything for a complete clean, or Keep My Files if you want apps removed but data preserved. Then pick Cloud Download to get the latest OS image or Local Reinstall for speed. Cloud helps avoid outdated patches. Make sure you review which drives and partitions will be wiped, because selecting the wrong one erases more than intended. Finally, confirm and begin the reset. It will reboot and run automated steps. You finish by completing the out-of-box setup. Choose language, sign into your account, and set privacy options. Then restore your backed up files and install drivers plus Windows updates to ensure stability. Make a prioritized list of essential apps to reinstall, including antivirus. If the reset stalls or fails, don't panic. Use Recovery Media or a USB install tool to rerun the process. Also check disk health with SMART. Utilities. A failing drive often causes reset failures and needs replacement before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.